Okay, you motorheads, it's time. Coming this spring, the Buckingham Test and Tune on May 17th, 18th, and 19th of 2024. Lake County has a long history of running local V-Drive boats on Clear Lake, California. Let's go, you Lake County guys and gals. Get those V-Drives registered. Who you gonna call? For registration information, call 707-900-8188. We would like to give a very special thank you to all of our sponsors. So good, so fast. What you see is what you get. Book your stay at the world-famous Canocti Harbor Resort from May 16th through the 19th using the code word LAKE in lowercase on their website and receive a 15% discount.